What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at an acrylic case that you can use to display your collectibles. So let's go ahead and get this open so we can get a look at it. Once you get everything open, you get a few things. You get your instruction manual, you have your remote because this has a LED display, RGB. These are going to be your tools to put it together. You have some extra lights, a cloth, some gloves, adhesive, even these finger grips. This is going to be the base of the display. It uses a USB-A cable to get powered. These are the acrylic pieces that you would put together with no tools needed. And once you peel off the protection, you'll notice that this is transparent. So now that we know what comes in the box, let's get this put together. Now, once you have these acrylic rivets in place in the corners of your acrylic glass here, you are all set to put your favorite figurine or collectible on the display base, and you can go ahead and cover it. This just sits right in there. Now it's nice and airtight, dust-free. You can use this microfiber cloth that they give you to, get away any dust that gets on the glass. And after you've cleaned it off, you can go ahead and light it up. So you can see that we have this nice rainbow color effect. You can adjust the speed if you like. You can also choose different modes. There's different lighting modes, from breathing to like a chase. Along with your different colors, you can also adjust the brightness, or if you just want it to be one color, you can go ahead and select that. This is going to be a great case to showcase your collectibles. It looks really, really cool. I like how it lights up, and then the LEDs light up the edges of the acrylic. It really gives it a nice effect. So guys, this is going to be the acrylic LED case for your figurine or collectible. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.